Good evening, girls. Some new concepts here where we will learn abnormal molar masses. As you know, it's a mystery of subject chemistry that after having whole work, we will say that the formulas will be applied only for true solution, or you can say ideal solution. For ideal solution only the all four colligative properties formulas we can use. And ideal solutions are either very dilute solution or very rare example. Whatever we learn, that is applicable to ideal solution. For non-ideal solution, there is some improvement in the formula. For example, we are taking one electrolyte or ionic compound. In that electrolyte, in the beginning, one NaCl particle theoretically we can have. We will apply the formula, then we will assume that one NaCl particle is there. But actually it is dissociating. It is giving one ion and two ion. So colligative property will depend on number of particle. It means it will be responsible for two particles rather than one particle. So scientists want to have introduced one more factor, that is want of factor, wherever the association or dissociation taking place. First I am taking dissociation, then I will take dissociation. Here this another example of association. Here, due to association of two ethanoic acid formulas, we are getting one big particle. It is the example of association. So, first I will take dissociation. Number of particles, one. After dissociation, number of particles, is equal to 2. Suppose by using colligative property we are determining the molecular masses, then definitely it will come different. Actually practically we are determining the colligative property, and in every colligative property, the colligative property depends on number of particles and it is inversely proportional to the molecular mass. So molecular mass is depending on number of particles. So number of particles are double. So practically molecular mass will be half of the required mass. So this type of controversy or abnormal behavior we are watching. So the topic abnormal molar masses we are having. Here one more factor want of was introduced. Want of is designated as I. Want of factor I. I is the ratio of normal molar mass divided by abnormal molar mass. Is equal to abnormal colligative property अपॉन नॉर्मल कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। और यू कैन से एबनॉर्मल को आप क्या कह सकते हो, ऑब्जर्व कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। ओके, so for NaCl you are observing that colligative property is value f, and the theoretically determined colligative property is y, then x upon y is equal to I. Suppose 100% dissociation is taking place, the number of particles will be 2. So the value of I is equal to greater than I is equal to 2 if 100% dissociation is taken. As we know, NaCl is the ionic compound having about 95% ionic character. So if it is fully dissociated, then I is equal to 2. Otherwise, alpha can be determined, that is degree of association. And formula of alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1, where m is equal to number of particles in which one electrolyte dissociate. Okay, suppose 100% dissociation or alpha value is 1, then m is equal to 2 and I is equal to 2. It will be because m means fully 2 particles we are giving. Okay, so always for dissociation what will happen? I is greater than 1. For association, I is less than 1 and its formula will be I minus 1 upon n minus 1. So now new formula for us after having one term factor, that is P node minus P upon P node is equal to x of solute I into x of solute. This will be the change. In the same manner, delta TB will be equal to I Kb than molarity. Delta Tf is equal to I Kf into molarity. The last one, that is pi, is equal to I CRT. Suppose you are doing work for NaCl and in the numerical it is mentioned that fully dissociation is taking place, you will put value of I is equal to 2. Then only numerical will be solved, otherwise your marks totally 0. In the same manner, suppose Na2SO4 you are having, then number of particle, 100% dissociation, it is written in question. What you have to do? I is equal to twice of sodium ion and 1 sulfate ion, so 3. In the same manner, for K4FeCN6, one of the complex compound, this whole ferrocyanide is the ion K4FeCN6. 4 particle of potassium and ferrocyanide 1 particle, I is equal to 5. Colligative property will work like that it is 5. Okay. It means आप जो सोच रहे हैं theoretically पुराने फॉर्मूले से colligative property की कैलकुलेशन की, What will occur? You are assuming that it is one particle, so it will come accordingly. Now rather than one particle, it is two particle, it has three particle, it has five particle. Then practically determined fact will be different. It will come 5 times, it will come 3 times, it will come 2 times. Definitely if you will calculate molar mass, 100% molar mass will be डिफरेंट, दैट इज नोन एज abnormal. ये आपका मोलर मास निकालोगे क्या हो जाएगा 1/5 हो जाएगा, ये 1/3 हो जाएगा, ये 1/2 हो जाएगा. नाउ go for association. How abnormal molar masses will come, all formula will work similar, and for association I is equal to I is less than 1. How association takes place? Especially for carboxylic acid, R C double bond O H, R C double bond O, hydrogen bonding is here, hydrogen bonding is here, RCO OH, RCO OH. माने दो मॉलिक्यूल आपके क्या हैं RCO OH के कंबाइन होकर के आपको क्या दे रहे हैं RCOOH का ही एक बड़ा जॉइंट मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, यानी अब तक आप जो पार्टिकल्स वन काउंट करके निकाल रहे थे कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, बट वो टू पार्टिकल थी. सो पर पार्टिकल कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्या होगी टोटली डिफरेंट. एंड नाउ यू आर गेटिंग ओनली वन पार्टिकल ऑफ RCOOH होल 2. फिजिकली and according to subject chemistry I cannot write this equation. So you can understand very clearly that दोनों पार्टिकल मिलकर के आपका एक पार्टिकल बना रहे हैं. इट मीन्स एसोसिएशन में क्या हुआ, ओरिजिनल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल तो 2 थे, एंड पहले वाले कितने हुए, दोनों जो ओरिजिनल क्या बना रहे हैं वन पार्टिकल, एंड ओरिजिनली जो लिए थे वो कितने थे 1. सो आई क्या आएगा आपका 1/2. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8 सल्फर पार्टिकल, ये क्या बना रहे हैं S8 मॉलिक्यूल. सो आई विल बी इक्वल टू 1/8. In such manner you can solve it. Okay, and alpha you have to determine. Alpha is equal to 1 minus I divided by 1 upon n minus 1. I am explaining this formula that n is equal to the number of particles which are associated. Now in any of the numerical, suppose KCl, one numerical I saw in your assignment, suppose KCl is given, then apply this formula. In that numerical it is given that 100% dissociation, then for KCl it will come 2. Don't apply the previous formula, then only you will be correct. Thank you. Thank you. So here you are doing a numerical, more repeated numerical. Calculate the amount of NaCl which must be added to 1 kilogram of water so that freezing point of solution is depressed by 3 Kelvin. It means delta Tf is 3 Kelvin. And here nothing is given. It means we are assuming this that NaCl is fully dissociated. So value of I will be 2. 2 particles, one Na plus and one Cl minus. You can understand like this. NaCl it will dissociate in 1 and 1. So I is equal to 2. And molar mass of NaCl I am determining 58.5. Our formula is delta TF is equal to I KF and molality. So delta TF is equal to 3, I is equal to 2, 1.86 kilogram into molality. Given mass of NaCl, then we have to determine the molar mass of NaCl, that is 58.5 into 1 kg of solvent. Direct 1 kg of solvent is given, so we need to put 1000 here. WB is equal to 3 into 58.5 divided by 2 into 1.86. This will be your answer. It will come as 47.2 kilogram. If you will convert in gram, 1000 करेंगे इसको ऊपर भी 1000 करेंगे, then it will come in gram. Okay. So always whenever in your question any ionic compound or any carboxylic group is here, then you need to put value of I. Condition 100% dissociation and association is given. Otherwise alpha must be ours in the numeric. Alpha नहीं पूछ रहे हैं, माने 100% dissociation and association. Thank you.